Welcome back children to my first step learning channel. Today I am going to paint a farmer with a magic brush. Let's start. I have a magic brush and I will move it left and right. And it will paint the canvas with different colors. I hope children you are enjoying it. It is just magic. You don't need to select any color. This magic brush will automatically fill the object with the desired color. Ta-da! And the drawing is complete. I hope you like this magic painting. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.